whatever reason, because I haven't spoken to and welcome back to your favorite channel. So today I'm actually in Cameron, North Carolina, and I am doing a community preview, but it's going to look a lot different because as you can see, I am actually walking through the community. It's a nice day out. It's cool. We're in November now. When you see this video, we'll still be in November, so it's cool outside. It feels good outside, so I figure, hey, why not just walk through the community? So it's a new construction area, but it's not a new construction community. So I already said we're in Cameron, North Carolina. Specifically, we're in Lexington Plantation. Specifically, or being more specific beyond that, we're in the colony at Lexington Plantation, which is just, a little community inside of the big community. But the houses, or the new construction area. Okay, so it's windy outside, so I hope you all can actually hear me and that my mic isn't messed up, but I don't know, I keep losing my train of thought. But what I'm trying to say is, in this side of town that I am walking through, the builders Dreamfinders Homes, around me you can see that the houses are for the most part complete or mostly complete. A lot of them are already move-in ready. In fact, I saw a family earlier that they're about to move in. So if you're interested in this area, specifically Cameron, specifically Moore County, the houses start at about $340. When I looked online, $340. They come in the typical size home. So 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2-car garages, I saw up to 3 bathrooms. So there is a size here to fit your family. If this is a place you're looking into, I know a lot of families like to look into Moore County because they prefer the schools here. So if this is an area that you've been looking at, if you want new construction, come to this area. As I'm walking right now, there's a home this one has 3-car garages. So there are 3-car garage options for those that want a larger home. And before I keep rambling, because I'm rambling, let's just take a look at, the community. I was thinking that the community, or this section of the community, was going to be a multi-phase type of building, but now I'm not sure because there's an area that's already built up, and as I'm walking, there's a section or plots of land that are vacant, but as I walk through them, it says they're available, and then way down beyond them, there are houses that are already going up. So I'm thinking it's not necessarily a multi-phase build, but there's plots of land that if you want to build from the ground up, or if you want to customize a little bit, those plots of land are for you. So you have the option to come and pick your land or pick your plot and then build your home from there. I didn't talk because I got tongue-tied or tongue-twisted or whatever. I didn't talk much about Cameron itself, so I want to do that now. So Cameron, where I am as I'm walking, I'm about 23 minutes away from the All-American gate, and I like to use All-American because most people know All-American. It's a great point of reference. So I'm about 23 minutes away from the All-American gate. So depending on where you're going on base, at like 10 to 15 minutes or so. The community itself, Lexington Plantation, is right off of Highway 24, like right off Highway 24. Why does that matter? Highway 24 has your shops, your restaurants, your grocery stores. There's a Walmart there. So within minutes, literally, minutes of where you live, you're in minutes of all the conveniences that you're going to need within minutes. What am I trying to say? Within a few minutes, you can get to everything that you'll need while you're living here. Downside is there's no Target. Pretty sure I just hit that camera. Sorry. The downside is there is no Target. So if you're a Target person, you still have to drive into Fayetteville for that. Sorry. Very sorry about that. Here's the thing. I feel like I'm in shape, but here I am walking outside and talking at the same time. And for whatever reason, I'm running out of breath. So if you can hear it in this video, don't judge me. I'm just trying to do the best I can, okay? I'm just trying to be great. But it's hard workout in these streets. I'm trying to see if there's any of these houses I can get into just to do a walkthrough of it, like a quick little walkthrough. They don't want to open up for me, but I'm gonna keep trying. Yeah. You'll also notice that this video is probably a bit more choppy and less streamlined than my other videos. I tried to do a script, but I don't like when I script. It sounds scripted, like it sounds unnatural. It doesn't sound like me. So I don't like doing it like that. So I'm just winging it. So if you can tell, I'm just trying to be authentic. I think I said that word right. Yeah, I think I did. But anyway, I just didn't want to do a script and sound scripted. And then also, I wasn't originally going to come to this community. I was going to a different one. So I had plans to go to a different one. And then as I was passing this one, I was like, haven't been over there in a while. Because the last time I was here, all of this was all just grass. Like they hadn't broke ground yet. There was no houses here. It was just all grass and land, no roads or nothing. Online there was roads, but everything else was grass. So I was passing by and I was like, I wonder how the progress is going. I was like, let me stop by. And so I stopped by. But there's no model home or anything here, so you basically just have to come book a showing or a preview and then, go through the house. But I'm gonna keep trying to see if I can get into one. And then just because I'm here, why not? Okay, here we go. Okay, so I got into a house, as you can see. Well, you can see the house, you can't see me. There I am. It's not going to be a tour. So I just wanted to see if I could get in one. So basically you're going to see the house. I'm not sure how you're going to see the house yet, but I got in one. Okay. This is the kitchen. I like that it's dark countertops, and I also like that it's a different color bottoms than it is the uppers. So uppers are whites, and then the bottoms are like a brown natural wood type look. I like that. There's also a darker floor. Oh, there's a bedroom on the first floor too. So this could be an office because there's also a bathroom right here. It's a bedroom, bath on the first floor. Storage right there. I think this is a pantry. That's just extra storage that way. Living space, fireplace. There's a covered patio. Yep. When I walked in, so there's a dining room, which is nice. Here, let me get you all of that. But then on the other side is another room that could be an actual office. Forgot about that. So forget about the bedroom as the office. This is the office. It's like basically why they put it here. Okay, let's go upstairs real quick. So we saw one bedroom downstairs. All right, let's see what's up here. This is another bedroom. It's an extra bedroom. More storage space. I wonder. This is another bedroom, but there's a door here. Is this the primary? Nope. Just another bedroom. Hallway bath. It's nice. Okay. Another bedroom. So we're at 1 downstairs, 2, 3, that's 4. Another bonus space. Listen, okay. I mean, here's your laundry. So second floor laundry. So that means this is the primary. Let's get all of this. It's huge. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. I don't think this video is doing a good job, but it's pretty big. Just know that. And then look at all the windows. Window, window, window. Okay. Bathroom. Hey. But, okay, so sink 1. I'm optimistic that this is 1 of 2. Yes, that was correct. Sink 2 right here. Then your throne has its own room, and then it's a shower. But at least it has the glass doors, so that's nice. And then your closet with another window. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to go all the way back there. So it goes back there. There's a window there, so you get some natural light, and then more space back there. So there's a good amount of space in this house. Now let me see if I can find the price of it. Okay, so I'm out. The specific details of that house are, it's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,800 square feet, just over 2,800 square feet, 2,844 to be exact, and it is listed at $431,100. So, $431,100 is the listed price, but that's just one of many. Also, I'm out of breath again. Hold on. But like I was saying, there are several houses that are still available. So if you're interested, $431,100 is on the higher end. There's houses here that are in the high 3s, mid to high 3s. So if you're thinking about this area, there's options. Also, something I should have said probably at the beginning of this video, but completely forgot. My name is Jody. I'm a real estate agent in the southeastern side of North Carolina, specifically servicing the Fort Liberty and surrounded areas. So I'm an agent for your PCS and family. PCS in, PCS out. It's going to be very interesting putting this video together because I did not have a plan. I just came out, started walking, started talking. So it's going to be interesting to see what the end product looks like. Regardless, I hope you like it. I hope you find it useful. Also, subscribe. I'm really bad at saying that. Probably should have said that, I don't know, many minutes ago. But if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you need help moving to or from the Fort Liberty area, please reach out. And would like to know what you thought about the video, what you thought about the houses, what you think about the community. If you have questions, you can drop them in the comments, or you can just reach out to me directly. Okay. Bye.